I know, the weather's crazy here. House for sale? Oh my gosh, it's fate! Hello? I don't think he can hear us. Yeah.
Huh?
Can we move in?
It's for sale, so pay up.
Is that enough?
Well, you're short.
Hold on. Ha! Here you go.
It's a start. The bags, hand them over.
Ugh, really? Okay. Bummer.
Very nice. Welcome home, ladies.
Thanks.
My pleasure.
Let's check it out. We're home! Woohoo! So much stuff. Okay. Yeah. No way! This game is so cool! He shoots, he scores! I wish I had a game like that. Ugh, I can't clean anymore. Hello? Me? I'm playing. No! You live here, you clean. Not fair. I do everything. Whatever. Hey, what's that box over there? I didn't see this before. So dusty. Huh? Off the couch? Bravo! The box is perfect. A fun game is on the way. You go right in here, Spoon. My b-ball spoon. Now for the most important part. Can't have basketball without a hoop. Perfect! You can sit right in here. The perfect fit. Isn't it wonderful? Let's see how good I am. Woohoo! Ow! What was that? Not a broom? Okay. Just play, come on. It's fun. Fine. Like this? Oh, I did it! You're really good! Can I go again? Yay, another basket. It was more exciting 3 hours ago. What's all that? Some paper? Interesting. I can work with it. But first, we fold. So many folds. Phew! Okay, open it up this way. Then fold down these corners. Open them up and fold down this piece here. Perfect. Just keep going. Nice. Turn the page. Enter scissors. Don't need that piece anymore, but I do need some good lines. Other way. Looking good. There. Now fill them in. Checkerboard style, that is. Keep going. Move it onto the body. Done. Now for part 2. Say hello to my little turtle friend. What a nice shell you have, sir. There. You can hang out right here. New game alert. Look, Claire. Huh? What's that? How do we play? Oh, look! He's moving! To the finish line! Woohoo! He did it! Can I? No. No? That's not fair. Yep. I know. I call this the silly juggler. Huh? Whatever. You can have some of my candy. No, I'm busy. Too busy for me. Aw, he's so cute. Oh, no. Fine. Be boring. Whatever. Guess I'm riding solo today. That's one nice box. See this cardboard? It's about to turn into something epic. It just takes a little assembly. Okay, a lot of assembly. But just wait, it'll totally be worth it. Background, please. Here's where things get really interesting. Ready, dinosaur? You're about to go on the adventure of a lifetime. Look what I made. Just turn the wheel and watch the dino run and jump. It's giving video game. Old school style. Ooh, cactus. Well? Wow, can I? No. Meh. Jeez, I get it. Aww. Oh, what's happening here? I could use a snacky snack. Something sweet, perhaps? Bingo! Looks pretty good. Let's see. Oh, look! This won't buy me one bite. Wait, another one! Yay! Mine! We're making progress, people! Just not enough. Got any cash, Claire? Money? Let me see. I don't see anything in here. Wait, that paper. Things are suddenly looking yummy. Shape, please. If I can't buy a candy dispenser, then I'll just have to make one. Can't forget the front. And I can decorate it however I want. Can't do that with the ones online. Almost done. Boom! It's candy time! This thing's gonna be a star! Check it out! Whenever I want a little snack, it's mine, baby! Don't mind if I do. So cute! And really tasty. But wait, watch! Whoa! Ugh! Ugh! What's with all this junk? Wait, what's this for? Hold on. Another box? What's in this thing? Where on earth did Betty get that? I'll do her one better. This plain white has gotta go. Much better. But look at this side. Slime is a-comin'. Just a few steps away. Can't forget the window. And all the working parts, of course. This is a machine, after all. Hello, slime. It's slime time! Huh? And I'm so ready to play. Just need one of these. Turn the knob. And you get your prize. Slime, baby! That's cool. Look at this stretch power. Cool, huh? I'll stick to candy. In the mood for something slimy? Then you'd better put in work. But don't worry, this task is super fun. Just keep rolling, people. Yep, don't worry about the mess. We're creating something here. Keep going, and before you know it, you'll have a real slime ball. Can you believe I made this? Whoa! The most satisfying slime ever. Just look at it. I'm not late, am I? What's that? I call it super slime. Care to super share? Seriously? No, huh? Fine. Now? Nope, mine. So rude. Get over it. Get over it? I'll just get my own. Thanks to this stuff. And… some glitter! Okay, let's get this party started. This feels funny. So gooey. But the best part? Glitter! Make it rain. More, more, more! Glitter hand reporting for duty. Fabulous. Hey! Don't wave at me with that! Seriously? Yeah, mine's better. Anyway, mine is actual slime. Look! No, mine's better! No way, mine's better! Ugh! What is this place? I miss my glitter hand. Now what? I could use a manicure right about now. There. Hello. So listen. Right now, okay? Thank you. Anyway… Oh, that was fast. Cute nails, here I come. So beautiful! It's like the nail salon in a box. Pretty cool, right? First up, a flower. I just have to prep it first. Wait till you see what this thing does. Wait for it. Here it comes. Hold still. And press. Ta-da! It's just perfect! I want one on every nail. Mission accomplished. Behold this nail beauty! Wow! I know. Gorgeous. I'm stuck with these ugly stubs. But I don't have to be. Betty won't mind, right? Oh yeah! I'm doing it! Blue nails who this? Just like the summertime sky. Except way more hideous! Ugh! Is that my polish? You sneaky snake! Mine! You're the worst. Hold on. Oh, my old cup. Of course. Ready? Buckle up, some recycling action is coming your way. But it'll take a bit of prep. Just you wait, I'll have cute nails in no time. Well, red-hot nails, that is. To the cup. Stab this stick through here, and you're at the salon. See? Cute nails are a-waitin'. First, insert. Wait. And it's done! 9 more to go. Each one's better than the last. Woohoo! 10 gorgeous fingers! See? What? Ugh, so lame. I know you are, but what am I? Ugh, whatever. Mwah, mwah, mwah. My favorite time of day! Chocolate o'clock! Oh yeah, just look at it! Mmm! Oh, I'm so coming to this party! Nah, I'm good. So greedy. Oh! My pearl clip! Now what? I can't believe this! This is my favorite clip! What do I do? Oh, I know. Don't worry. Ready, cardboard? First I need a hole. Then comes the panel. And plenty of piping hot glue. Other side. Careful, it's hot. Now for this side. With just the right measurements, this'll be perfect. More glue. Perfect fit. Now for all the fun doodads. So many details. Done. You like it? I guess. What is it? Clip, please. No. No? Trust me. Okay, watch. See my dirty scrunchie? It's about to get all sudsed up. Just watch. Gotta let it spin for a bit. Yep, there it goes. Okay. Hello? Yes, one please. No, today! Prepare to be amazed. It didn't work.
Package for Betty?
Finally! There it is! Wow! I know. It's what you wish yours was. One spin cycle coming right up. Yep. Clean as a whistle. Thank goodness. I missed you. Hold on. Have room for these? In your dreams? Don't touch my washer. Did you love these cardboard hacks? Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our awesome tips and tricks.